I used to dread pulling weeds, bending over, sore back, dirty hands, and somehow they just grow right back. It felt like a losing battle. And honestly, I didn't want a bunch of chemicals either. I just wanted them gone for good. Then I found this stand-up weed puller from Fiskars, and it has made this so much easier. You get one 39-inch long weed puller so you can stand the whole time, no bending, which is great for us old people. It has 4 stainless steel claws that grab the weed and the roots so it actually removes it completely. It has an ergonomic handle, which means less wrist strain. It has a step and pull design, which is super easy to use. It has an Easy-Eject mechanism, so you don't even have to touch the weeds. And it's built to last with a lifetime warranty, which is totally amazing. You just step down, twist slightly, pull up, and boom, whole weed, roots and all, out. Now, it's actually kind of fun, and I enjoy pulling weeds. And my yard looks so much cleaner without all the effort. If you think it won't get the roots, it really does. That's the biggest difference I noticed. If you're tired of weeds taking over your yard, you need this because easy, chemical-free, and actually effective, that's a win.